Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, again let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market situation in general stands in a row with a normal bearish development. Why? As you can see, market has completed, as we said, the minor extension target of this A, B, C top pattern. This market has hit 618 extension right at the FIB support. That's all. That's, by the way, the agreement by the Jude Napoli terms. Right, shows the retracement up from this area. Also, here we have the monthly pivot point, so market is flirting around this area. Shows the minor retracement, but yesterday has turned down again. So the minor retracement out from the minor target is absolutely normal development when you speak about some intermediate target of the ABCD pattern. The next target will stand around the monthly pivot support one at 1270 area. So just measure the distance of the AB leg, count it to the downside, say approximately, maybe you could get it from this area. It's not really important. So anyway, it will be very close to 1270 area approximately. Very close to the monthly pivot support one. So when the market hits the minor target, it usually suggests that retracement should be shallow. To confirm that this ABCD pattern is still valid, that's normal when the market shows the minor retracement. And now you see that this has happened. Well, the overall situation of the gold market is still the same. The physical demand is weak. Only geopolitical tension supports the gold market. The fundamental situation in the economy also stands not in favor of the gold market right now. It's supportive for the dollar, and that also presses on the gold market. That's why nothing has changed, and that's why the gold market right now has really not enough fuel to show any upward acceleration, because no really purchaser stands on the market right now. On the forward time frame chart, you see how it looks here. So initially we said that could be either ABCD pattern to the 1325 to the weekly pivot resistance one, or what will be better if market will fail around confluence 1310 confluence moves below the weekly pivot point, and that could be the early bell for the reestablishing of the downward action. That is what we see right now. Of course, everybody understands that the major clarification will happen today, tomorrow, until the end of the current week. So today we will get the gross domestic product release for the second quarter. Tomorrow we will get the FOMC meeting, the press conference, the release from the FOMC. Also on Friday we will get the non-farm payroll release, and also we have the multiple geopolitical tensions. But in general, this action is really fast plunge down. It's not just retracement out of the confluence, not the gradual move as here, but this really fast move that erased this AB leg. Yes, we could suggest this greater ABCD, for example, something of that sort, right? We could suggest this. Just a minute. Here, we could get this sort of pattern ABCD. But guys, this move down doesn't look like the ABC leg. This really plunge. It's really mostly looks as the continuation of the downward action. It's really failure at the confluence and moving below the weekly pivot point. That's why personally I would not bet on this possible ABCD move to the upside, because that for me looks bearish, and especially if you will take a look when this move has started, the confluence resistance just indicates the failure to pass through this area and mostly point on the possible downward continuation. Although the major point, as we said, the final clarification will come when the market will take out of these lows, because that's the low of the daily bullish engulfing pattern. And here we see that we see just the first sign of this possible failure. Totally, we didn't get it yet. We haven't got it yet, but that's really mostly this part of the game stands in favor of the bears rather than the bulls. And we'll see what will happen. And I think that the chances now are greater that market will erase this engulfing pattern on the daily chart and taking out of these lows. That looks here mostly in favor of this moment. On the hourly chart, I would like to show you a couple of moments. First of all, I recall our yesterday's discussion when we have discussed this bullish dynamic pressure, and we said that this reminds the situation on the Japanese yen, on the weekly Japanese yen, and we said that minimum target of this situation, this bullish dynamic pressure, is the previous top. And you can see that this has happened, but this thrust market has accelerated right above it, taking out of the stops and turns to the downside. You could even recognize the butterfly here or crab or something of that sort. You can see that there, in fact, this top stands at 127 extension of this swing down. That's how dynamic pressure works and how it completes the minimum targets. And guys, that is what we could get on the Japanese yen. That's really possible, because the action right now on the Japanese yen reminds me of the action on the hourly gold market. On the Japanese yen market is forming the same pattern. When the trend shifts bearish on the weekly Japanese yen market stands flat. And that suggests that something supports the market. Something prevents its move lower. And this causes the bullish dynamic pressure. And I will not be surprised when we will see on the weekly chart of the Japanese yen the action to the new top in some upward action. That would be really significant move, because that's the hourly chart, but on the Japanese yen it's the weekly pattern. This really could be significant. But right now, when speaking about the gold market, you can see this really moved down. It's a reversal swing, since market has erased this recent action up, and probably downward action could continue. But again, I just can repeat what we said yesterday. Currently is not very good opportunity, good situation for taking any strategical positions, because everything could change within the couple of sessions. Yes, market looks bearish and recent action is bearish, but what will happen within the couple of sessions, very difficult to predict. What Fed will say on the policy, on rating policy, it's also the riddle, and whether it will approve the expectations of the investors, it's also the question. Well, that's why it's better to focus on some short-term patterns that could be formed here and wait for more clarification. Although we have the first bell of the possible downward continuation, the real invalidation point for the bullish development stands right here. Soon market will erase it. We all said that yes, gold probably will continue to move lower. So let's see what will happen.